Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely crucial update on Link. First, let's celebrate. Our bullish setup from November 7th has been a massive success, and my TP4 has been hit on the bull side. The market honored our support zone perfectly. However, now that we have more data, the charts have shifted. We've updated the chart, and what we are seeing now looks like a bearish flag continuation pattern on the H4. The price is topped out and is consolidating, but this is typically a precursor to another move down. This is exactly why it's important to know your charts. We're now looking at a potential move toward the $12.70 to $13 next bottom. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. Trade with me here. The referral link is in the description. Peace out.